The range of motion of the Ultra 182 arm is fantastic. This is a full 180-degree vertical movement, straight up, straight down. It gives you 24 inches of movement. In addition to that, you have 180 degrees of side-to-side motion, so you can go from wall to wall. You get complete freedom and use of the arm. The monitor rotates and tilts for the best viewing angle. The keyboard will also swivel away from the monitor. For the keyboard range of motion, the keyboard tilts positively and negatively. In addition to that, in your settings, once you set the keyboard to your liking, it is fully repeatable so that when you stow the computer and bring the keyboard out again, it goes back to that set position for your comfort. The keyboard will stow against the monitor, and you can see it folds up nicely and can be put out of the way.